Well, hello all. It is still blueberry season and I have some tasty blueberries and we're about to make this delicious blueberry crumble. Let's just get right to it. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to make this crumble. I have 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. There you go. We're going to put that in there, right there. And I have 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of, or 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Did I say 1/4? I meant 1/8. 1/8 teaspoon. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar right there. And we got 10 tablespoons of cold butter chopped up. Now, you don't have to chop up your butter, but I suggest you do it. It makes light work. Now, as you can see, I have switched over to a pastry cutter, or you can use 2 forks, but I suggest you just go ahead and invest in a pastry cutter. They don't cost that much. Or you can use 2 forks like your grandmama used. I have 1 egg yolk here. I'm going to get all that egg yolk out of there. And 1 tablespoon of cold water. That's water from the refrigerator, nice and cold. I'm going to continue with that pastry cutter right there. So you're going to keep cutting into that pastry until you get some nice crumbs just like that. And see how I'm doing that? Move that around nice and crumbly. Break up some of the bigger pieces. I'm using a rubber spatula. There you go. That's how it looks. We're going to set this aside and put it in the fridge. And make sure you preheat your oven to 375. All right, let's make this filling. I got 2 cups of the freshest blueberries I got from my local farmer's market. Shout out to the farmer's market, y'all. Support the farmer's market. 2 tablespoons of flour. Put that in there. What else we got? All right, we got 1 1/2 cups. No, that's 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We got 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put that in there. We got 2 tablespoons of lime juice, or you can use lemon juice, but Tracey prefers lime juice. But do you? Gonna mix that all together just like that. Get your rubber spatula. Move it around. There you go. It kind of looks like that. Make sure you get all those blueberries nice and covered with that mixture there. Now we're going to grab us a 8x8 baking pan. All right. We're going to take half of that crumble. I just got that crumble out of the refrigerator. Remember, we put it in there earlier. We got to grab it out. We're going to put about half in the bottom. And spread that out just like that. Nice and even. Even Stevens. Put a little bit more in there, girl, because that ain't even. There you go. Put some out there. You can push that down like that. Take that spatula. We're going to smash that down. Hey, look at me. Smashing it down. Getting it all even. Make sure you do the same thing. Put a little bit more. I probably need that much more, girl. But we're gonna work it out. We're going to work it out. Girl, put too much in there. Oh, Lord. Don't do what I did. I think I put too much at the bottom. All right. But we're going to make it work. It turned out great. We're going to put some of that blueberry crumble in there. We're going to put, we're going to put it all in there. Okay. We got it all put in there. We got to spread that around carefully. Don't want to disturb all that crumble I got on the bottom. Smooth that out right there from corner to corner. You can see a little better right there. Okay. Come on. All right, girl. That's enough. I guess we're going to make it do it. All right. All right. Now we're going to put the remaining crumble on top. Lord, I don't think I have enough, but like I said, we're going to make it work. See, look at that. Won't he do it? We made it work, y'all. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, take a nice look at that. Now this is optional. You can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top if you want to. Okay, Tracey, that's enough. Okay. Okay, we're gonna grab this up here and get ready to put it in our oven. We're gonna bake this at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. Now, depending on your oven temperature. Okay, we back, fresh out of the oven. Boom, look at that. Yeah, that look good. Okay, we're gonna let this cool for about 5 minutes in the pan. Okay, so this next part is optional. I don't know why you would choose not to do it, but to each his own, okay? I just made some regular glaze, and I'm going to pour it over here. And I'm going to grab this little knife here and cut this bad baby up, okay? Y'all give me a minute to cut this up. It's been cooling for a few minutes, so... Ooh, child, I can't even talk. This looks so good. Y'all, look at that. Whew. Let's just enjoy this together. Ooh, yummy. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.